How you like your bread? I'd prefer to not smell like diesel fuel. Huh. Huh. As you can see, we've had our share of issues with this fuel fill. Getting the window wash service going. So when we're close to the main tank, anytime we fuel up, we give the combine greasing on any 50-hour fittings, and we clean our windows. But since we're here, we're just giving her a quick clean. Yeah, it looks like they've got the field all opened up now, and they're going back and forth in the big rows. Should finish this place here in a couple hours.